Hey guys, what's going on? Mr. Tackle Box. Got my first box here for February. Let's check it out. You know it's going to be a good box when the first thing you see is a $15 lure, so that's a pretty good deal there. Okay, first up we have the live target. It's the Crawfish Square Bill Crankbait. This goes for $14.49. Let's see, it dives 3 to 4 feet, weighs a ½ ounce. It's in brown chartreuse. This is the 60 size. They make two sizes. The 60 size has a small rattle. The 70 size, I believe, is silent. I don't own any. I just read that in a review. Nice looking bait. Again, that goes for $14.49. Okay, next up we have the Reaction Strike KB Swim Bait. This is a 1-pack. A 2-pack goes for $19.98, so this is a $10 swim bait. It says here, see the Mr. Tackle Box product webpage for detailed rigging instructions. So definitely have to check that out. Looks like it just comes with a treble hook. It appears to be like a sexy shad color. Pretty cool. Okay, next up we have the Z-Man Lizards. It says 3-pack, there's actually 4 in the pack though. And the 6-pack goes for $5.49. The color looks like pumpkin chartreuse. These are made of Elastec, that's stretchy material. Pretty cool. And we got Big Bite Baits. This is the 4-inch Shad Tail Minnow. This is a 3-pack. A 10-pack goes for $5.29. Color is Chartreuse Shine. Okay, then last up we have a pack of hooks. This is a 2-pack, VMC 5/0 wide gap. An 8-pack goes for $3.49. Of course, then you got your card, hand out to one of your buddies. First box, $4.99. All you guys got to do is use the coupon code GET499. Sticker. Like another sticker. Let's see, win a free Mr. Tackle Box swag pack. So we got a contest going on here. And 25% off Reaction Strike. This runs till March 31st. Alright, pretty good box. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for box 2.